Today's quick tip, I'm going to teach y'all how to make some brown butter. Brown butter or beurre noisette is very quick and easy to make and can add instant depth to so many different dishes, both savory and sweet. To make brown butter, all you have to do is take your desired amount of butter that you want to brown and add it to your pot or pan. Here I'm just using a smaller saucepan with high sides. You want a high-sided pot or pan with a heavy bottom. If you're making a lot of brown butter, you most definitely want to use a larger pot than this. I'm just doing one little stick, half cup of butter. As you see, the butter starts to melt and the water in the butter starts to evaporate and you might get some splatters, so please be aware of that. I'm just getting a whisk in there, whisking it up, making sure that all of the butter milk solids are going to be browning evenly. You can use brown butter for so many different things. I love to use it with chocolate chip cookies, butternut squash ravioli with sage, banana bread, seafood dishes. Anything that you use regular butter for, you can pretty much use brown butter for, and it's like magic. So as you see, the butter is starting to brown, toasting nicely here. And it browns pretty quickly and turns to brown butter quickly, so please watch it because it will turn into burnt butter very quickly, which is inedible. At this point, our brown butter is ready to go. I just like to skim off the top a little bit of the foam. I just am using a little strainer here. And then at this point, you want to transfer it to another container. You can use brown butter immediately or store it covered in the fridge for future use. But once you see how delicious it is, I promise it won't be around very long. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more recipes and cooking tips.